Mistplay doesn't pay cash directly in most cases, because points are first converted into gift cards like Visa, Amazon, or Google Play depending on what's available in your region. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how Mistplay point redemption works, how to convert points into cash equivalent rewards, and the step-by-step process to cash out correctly without getting stuck in the redemption screen. First, understand how Mistplay points work. Mistplay rewards you with units based on how long you play games inside the app. Those units build up in your account balance and act like currency inside the platform. You don't withdraw them like a bank transfer. You redeem them for reward options listed in the store. What this means is simple. You're not cashing out in the traditional sense. You're exchanging points for digital rewards that can then be used as money. Now here's the actual redemption process. Step 1 is opening the Mistplay app and going to the store or rewards section. This is where all redemption options are listed based on your region and account level. Step 2 is checking your available reward options. Some users will see PayPal or Visa gift cards, while others will mainly see retail gift cards like Amazon or gaming credit. Availability depends on location and account standing. Step 3 is selecting a reward and confirming redemption. Once you choose an option, Mistplay deducts your units and processes the reward. Most digital rewards are delivered electronically, either in-app or through email depending on the provider. Now here's the part people get confused about. If you're expecting instant cash into a bank account, Mistplay does not usually support that directly. Instead, users typically redeem a Visa prepaid card or PayPal-style gift card when available, which can then be used like cash for purchases or transfers, depending on the provider. One important detail here. If your reward is delayed, it is usually because verification or processing is still happening on the gift card provider side, not because your points are missing. Checking your email and in-app reward history is the first step in tracking it. So here's the breakdown. Mistplay points are redeemed through the in-app store, converted into gift cards or digital payment options, and then used as cash equivalent value depending on the reward type you choose. If you're doing this right now, your next step is simple. Open Mistplay, go to the rewards store, and check what cash equivalent options are available for your account before you start redeeming points. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of reward apps and side earning platforms that don't explain how payouts actually work.